Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Ireland. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below the description and click on the link. When you do it, you will get here on the Coinbase, and if you're going to register through the link, you will get 10 or like 8 euro worth of free of Bitcoin. And then when you're going to be on Coinbase, you want to go on the right side to buy Bitcoin, and right here 100 euro, let's say, buy, preview buy. And here you're going to see that I can buy the Bitcoin, or I can sell it also if I'm going to have the Bitcoin, if it's going to get 200,000, and then I can simply withdraw the money. So this is how it works. It's quite simple, quite easy, it's safe. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.